Hi guys, this is Sean, and today it's a great pleasure to talk with you about my Java project, Elevator Simulator. For the whole project, the main aim is to design and implement an object-oriented elevator simulator. As you can see, this simulator models a building, an elevator controller, its floor, its person, etc. So first, let me show you my project. Let me open up my building package first. As you can see, I used several design patterns in my project, like factory, interface, encapsulation, facade, and here is singleton. The elevator controller is the key machine in the simulator because it can make intelligent choices to ensure that the passengers have the minimum wait time and ride time in the building. If you decide which elevator should be given to which request, for example, if no elevator right now is available, like if all 4 elevators are currently going up and an up request is made from the lobby, the elevator controller can hold this request until a suitable elevator is chosen. Now let me build and run my project. This is my main panel. In the panel, there are 4 lanes, which represents 4 elevators in 4 buildings. When the elevator goes up, the top triangle turns green, and goes down means turns red. So when the other 3 elevators are idle, the top color is white. For each building, there are maximum 20 floors. I added time reports and descriptive narrative in the console panel, as you can see. The time reports indicates the wait times, the time a person waits for an elevator after pressing a call button, and their ride times, the time to take a user from their initial floor to their destination floor. The whole process takes about 3 to 4 minutes. So yeah, it's a long time. You can see the report in the console panel. It's like a general report records every single move about each person and each elevator. Now the 4 elevators all starts running. Quite busy, isn't it? I think for now, we only need to wait until the first elevator to finish its process, then the whole process is ended. So yeah, the whole process is ended. And as you can see, this is the timetable and it is generated when the simulation is running. So those are a general review for my whole project. Thanks for watching.